It's mainly for the customer beginning. Firstly, for the customer beginning.
Yeah.
The secondly, I think even for some factory, they want to do some the product test.
Yeah.
Yeah, they also can apply this patty 100 line.
Yes.
If your customer have this, do you meet some customer have this requirement to buy this line just for trial?
Yes, for this line is very popular for the fast food, like the cafeteria and the small branch. The small branch they will buy it. Especially like the chicken nuggets, potato patty.
Okay. So I also for the I think without the just we can remove the patty 100. When you apply some the sticks, some big patties, just the whole meat, not from the meat. They can directly with battering and breading.
Yes, some clients use producing the breaded chicken fillet. We will use the two machine.
Oh yes. Also, actually, we also have another model with also smaller one with a pre-duster.
Yeah.
The pre-duster, some based on the customer different recipe, they just add the after former. Then the processing with forming, pre-duster, battering, then breadcrumb coating, then directly frying. We can find the whole solution, including the fryer, freezer for the customer.
Yeah. Because the total line with the same structure, easy cooperation, and the most important thing is the cost. It's very cheaper, so most of the clients can afford it. So that's very popular.
Yes.
Each year, Hiwell selling this line more than 100 size.
100.
Yes, every year.
Yes. Okay. So I think that what's the exact capacity? Do you count it before?
Counted before, it's nearly for the burger patty, it's nearly about 100 kg per hour. For the chicken nuggets, it's usually about 80.
Yes.
80 kg.
Normally we can count it by the pieces.
Yeah.
This one is the counter, and for each day. Actually, we count it by the pieces.
Yeah.
For the burger, just what you say, is around 100 kg. That is because of different size of the product. It's a general quantity, not exactly. So for this one, you can calculate for how many quantity you produce.
Yeah.
Normally, for the one shape product, for this heart shape, it can make around 2,100 pieces in 1 hour.
Yeah.
And for this bone shape, this can make around 4,200 pieces in 1 hour. so it's easily to see how many quantity you working in 1 day.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Some factory they want to count how exactly capacity they make. So they just see this at the afternoon when do the shift. And at another day, the second day, they just reset it. Then there'll be new day and new quantity.
Yeah.
I think that for this line, it's just for the customer beginning. And I think after their business raising, they may remove to the 400 line or to 600 line.
Yeah. Because it's just as a start to check whether the product is popular in the market or not.
Yes, they just try the market, so they buy this one.
Yeah.
Some customer they buy this line for beginning, and but some customer they after short time they will remove to the big line, like the 400 line and the 600 line, like this one. Yes.
Yes.
Can you do some explanation for compared with this big line? So what's the advantage for this line?
The main function, I mean, for the two lines are same.
Oh yes.
Yes, the similar function is same. The difference, I think, is it makes the main function simply.
Oh.
Simply, and so the cost will be low down.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also this with this continuous solution, actually, if you buy the big line for the customer beginning, if you buy the big line for the fryer, freezer, you also have to consider the bigger one. For the big factory, the group company, that's no problem. But for the customer, they just the beginning, they will consider the budget.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's also based on the customer real need. If customer really have the just for the beginning, so they just suggest them by this patty 100 line.
Yeah. For this, client can change various formula because it's smaller.
Okay.
You can change, for example, the meat like the chicken, beef, mutton.
Okay.
They can do. Can also choose the vegetable like the potato, pump. For seafood like fish and shrimp also can do the test.
Okay. Yeah, for the fish finger, for the shrimp patty.
Yeah.
All this model can also just choose a different shape of the use.
Yeah. It's more flexible for many smaller manufacturer because if you have the need, you just start the machine and start working. If you, for example, if today you not more have to need, for example, the market is stop working, you can have a rest. It's more flexible than that one, I think.
Yes. Just what I say is that's just for the beginning, not for the continuous application for their production.
Yeah.
And we actually for the for this line, this can also of course this do many things, but compared with the big line, the product final quality for that one is bigger, is much better than this one.
Yes, because different. For that one, the density is very easy. It's very evenly. But for this one, maybe the density will be a little different.
Yes,
because of for the formula, because it's made by manual, so it will be a little different. Besides for the weight, the bigger one has a weight error very smaller.
Yes.
Normally less than 1%.
Yes.
But for this one, maybe it's a little bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So for this one, it can make the popcorn?
No.
Okay. So I have one question. So for the popcorn, you have to be applied the big former?
Yes.
Okay. So for the popcorn, I have a customer. They are interested for the mixed popcorn. So can you do some explanation for the popcorn processing?
For the mixed popcorn processing, firstly you need to choose a former, then use a pre-duster. The third is tempura batter. The fourth is brider.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, they also apply the drum brider.
Yeah.
The drum brider because that's it's for the shape. It can give the more pre-dust coating.
Yeah.
And also the shape makes that good.
Yeah.
Yes. So okay. So today we are talking for the patty 100 line. So I think the customer much easier to understand this the whole line processing
Yeah, I think you know how to operate in this line now because it's very simple.
Okay, okay. So thanks for your time, and tomorrow we will show the new machine introduction.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow. 拜拜。
拜拜。
拜拜。然后你俩到最后终于走到一个镜头里了。
你的走，你的走。发了，我已经说了，我不管，我不说这话，我走了哈。走了，我走了，我。
上能拿的，这个拿的不影响。
它那个什么关了吧？它那个背景。
Hello everyone, this is Sunny from Hiwell. Nice to meet you here.
Hello, very happy to see you again. This is Bob. Tonight I will be together with Sunny to present more about Hiwell.
Okay. Hi Bob, do you like chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
You like nuggets or hamburger or what?
I prefer hamburger.
I prefer popcorn.
Why?
Because I like the meat taste. Because hamburger, not enough for of my taste, you know.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
And do you eat much the popcorn?
Yeah, and I like spicy, you know. The popcorn, they have a spicy taste.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so do you know how to make the chicken nuggets or hamburger?
Yeah, when I come to Hiwell, I learn about the making process. But I think it's also many good ways to how to make it more taste so well.
Yeah, I will have 3 models of the hamburger and nuggets line. Depend on the different capacity. Okay, first we introduce the smallest line. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Very
this
nice.
is the smallest line.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is the smallest former. You know how much capacity?
Yeah, the price I think is very nice compared with some Europe other supplier.
How much capacity, you know?
It depends on what products. For example, you produce nuggets, it could be up to 4,200 pieces. As well as burger, yeah, it's less. Maybe
Burger like 2,100.
Yes.
Yeah, the double price than double price the chicken nuggets.
Oh, okay.
And double quantity. Okay, this is the hopper. This is the hopper. You can put the minced meat here, but our temperature of the raw material shall be -4 degrees.
Okay.
You can form a gold shapes.
But what's the maximum temperature?
Around 0 degree.
Okay.
If too soft and too warm, the temperature is too higher, it will not form very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
How to keep it's with very good hardness.
Yeah.
It's easy to form.
Yes.
Yeah.
你再补充。
And then from this machine, it's after it's formed, it will be output.
Output, yeah. And here you can put the mold. The mold is this shapes.
Yeah.
So they can do various shapes. You can.
Yeah.
If you want.
Yeah. So the mold is produced by Hiwell.
Yes. We have a machine to process the mold by ourselves.
Yes.
So we can control the quality of the mold.
Yeah. So that's the difference for us with other suppliers.
Yeah. Other supplier maybe they process the mold in another processing workshop.
Yes.
So they cannot control the quality.
Yeah, we design by ourselves.
Yes.
At the same time, we have the CNC machine.
Yeah. What kind of shapes you like? Oh, it is a heart shape.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a love.
That's if you want to give a gift to your girlfriend, then maybe it's your choice.
Yeah, you can show your heart. And this is the star shape. Star shape, I think the children they like the star shapes.
Yeah. Attractive to the children.
Oh, that is like a Boeing. It's made for the pet food, I think.
I think so. Maybe the dog like it very much.
Yeah. This is the chicken nuggets. The chicken nuggets like in KFC.
Yes.
So,
may I ask, what's the capacity of the mold? For example, what's the maximum diameter?
Oh, if you make the round shape, the max diameter of the round shape is around 100 mm.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is big enough. So the thickness also can be adjusted from 8 mm to 16 mm.
Okay, very good.
Yes. That is a fish shape.
Yeah.
It's very lovely.
Yeah, very lovely.
Yeah.
So we will have the flexible production capacity. It depends on what types of production you want.
And the endless surprise of the shapes as you want.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very
I
nice.
think. Yeah. Here also we have a paper support function.
Yes.
You can put the paper here, and one patty, one paper.
Yeah.
Do you know why they put the paper?
I think this in order to avoid two hamburger stick together.
Yes. If it is too frozen, so you put the paper, and it is easily to pack, and the two burgers cannot be stick together.
Yeah, so this is a very core competence for Hiwell.
Yes.
So now this is the small former. We also have a big former.
Yeah, big former
It's the
and
same.
the new design for the paper supporting machine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, later we will introduce you more. about
Okay,
the bigger
okay, no
former.
problem.
Yeah.
So here is a count. You can see the how many pieces the burgers will come out.
Yeah.
Actually, it is 2,100 pieces per hour.
Yeah.
Yes.
So-
So it is very good for the small workshop
Yeah.
to produce.
So it reminds the worker and clients how many pieces they produce.
Yeah.
So we'll adjust the production day by day.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. So this is the output part. This one, some customers want to extend the belt because if without the coating machine, they will use this and bind the manual to pack. So they want to extend the belt.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I have a question.
Okay.
It's very easy to clean.
Yes.
Machine.
All the parts can be removed, and you can use the water gun to clean it everywhere.
Yeah.
And the IP grade is very strict, so you can wash it anywhere.
Yeah. I also think the material used by Hiwell is very nice.
Yeah,
So what's the
it
material?
is stainless steel 304.
Yeah.
We have bought a tool to test the stainless steel.
Yeah.
Just because we don't want to use bad raw material. We want to use the good one. Okay.
And I know we have the equipment to test the material.
Yeah, from US.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
Correct.
But I think it deserves it. Yeah.
Yeah, there's ensure the quality of the
Yes.
machine at the beginning.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Do you know how to operate it?
yes, here is the key. You can open it and then press on. It's very easy to operate.
Yes.
I think simple for all of us.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we have sufficiently consider for the clients
Yes,
to better
yes.
use how to conveniently use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is also a safety switch.
Yeah.
When the worker open the cover, so the machine stop immediately.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the safety is very important.
Yes.
Yeah.
However, the important thing of the machine is safe.
Correct.
Yes. Okay. So the forming machine is just like this. So after forming machine, we always use a battering. Battering machine is to coat the batter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think for example, the nuggets, popcorn.
Nuggets, yeah. Nuggets is always like forming first, and then use the battering.
Yeah.
And then use the breading machine.
Yeah.
And then fryer or freezing.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Let us to introduce the temporal battering machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the battering is a very important step for the machines for the products production. So you in this assembly you will find this is a control panel.
Yeah, it's very easy to operate. You can see the belt on and belt off, and the blower on, blower off. Actually, the construction is very simple.
Yeah.
So it is just because to operate easily. Yeah. So you can see all the button. It is special. Before it is a very old model, but now it is very. You can see, you can touch it. It's very good touch. Yeah.
So as I know, the elect parts used in the control panel is very good brand around the
Yeah,
world.
yeah, the famous brand. Okay, you can see the belt. You can lift it, and you can also adjust the gap between the upper belt and also the lower belt.
So
Yeah.
it's depend on the height of
The thickness of the products.
Yes.
For example, if the chicken nuggets is the smallest thickness,
Uh-huh.
but for the chicken leg, some people want to coat the batter with the chicken leg.
Yes.
So it is very big height.
Yes.
So we can adjust the gap.
So if you know that after battering coated on the surface
Yes.
of the products, maybe 2 months better on the surface.
Oh,
How you
yes.
handle this?
Good question. Here is an air blower, air knife.
Yeah.
They will blow off the excess batter on the surface of the products.
Yeah.
So you can adjust the volume of the air to blow off.
Yeah.
And you can also keep it on the products. No need this
Yeah.
if you want to coat more. Yeah,
And
yeah.
I think this device could also
Can move everywhere. You can as you want.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
How to clean it? It's very easy.
Yes, you can lift it. We have to.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
make
very
like
very
this,
easy
yes.
to let it cool down.
To lift loosen the screw and lift up and use the water gun to clean it.
Yeah, so it can be handled manually, so
Yes,
without
yes.
without a
Even
tool.
I can operate.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah. Okay. So the next machine is a breading machine. You know the breading machine. It is also very simple to operate.
Yeah.
You can see only the pump and belt and blower on or off.
Yeah. So
Okay.
before we prepare it, we have to tell the clients how to start the machine work.
Yes,
in,
yes.
in the user menu, we have tell it's in detail. So it's
All
very
the details.
simple. Yeah.
Yes. Here is the hopper. Hopper of the breadcrumbs. You can put the crumbs here.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's very easy.
Yeah.
And okay.
When the products
After coating the batter,
with batter, it
they
will be
they fall down on the breading machine.
yes, it will be input
Also
here.
here can adjust the volume of the bread crumbs coating.
Yeah, it's depend on how many the
How much
crumbs
yeah.
you want to
You
coat
want to coat,
on the
yeah.
surface.
Yes,
so it's
yes.
very easy to adjust it here.
Yeah, good design. Yeah, another side also have adjustment to adjust the lower belt coating.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
So that's the same as a battery machine. There are also air blower to the
To blow off the excess of the breadcrumbs.
yes,
Yes.
correct.
Yeah.
So in all of our machines on the surface, you will find some sign to.
Oh, it is a safe for the safety.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Here is electrical, so far away from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So just as we said in this afternoon, nearly all the machines are certified by the CE.
Yeah, we all have the CE.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the safety is very important. That's one of our
Standard.
advantage.
It's
Yeah.
a very important standard. Yeah. You know, if you want to make the chicken nuggets, how to arrange the machines, how to arrange this line?
Yeah. Firstly, I think that it shows it will be the forming machine
Yes.
at the first position.
Yes.
After forming, it will coat with the batter.
Battering.
So as we know, in some big lines,
Yeah.
we have to pre-dust the surface.
Yeah, we
before
also
the
have a
battering.
small pre-duster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for this type of small product line, it's not very necessary.
Yeah.
Because the small production line is mostly used in the lab before the big production.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are right.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, after if you want to just coat the temporal nuggets, you know, you can use the forming and the temporal battering and the pre-duster and the temporal again.
Yeah.
So it is just like the nuggets, like KFC and McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah. But for the for our foreign customers, they usually use forming, battering, and breading.
Yeah.
And
So
frying,
in this process, we consider more to the clients.
Yes, different products, different machines.
Yes. Also, you can adjust the volume of the batter of the bread crumbs.
Yeah, the coating volume can be adjusted.
Right.
You know the wheel, you can move it anywhere.
Yes.
It's very easy.
Yeah, you can adjust according to your need.
Yes.
For example, you want to the breading machine.
Yeah, you can move this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Actually, this small line is just for a small factory. They just set up and they want to grow up.
Yeah.
And you can buy this line first. And later, after they expand their business, they can use a medium-sized line.
Yeah.
And later, they can use the biggest line.
Yeah, many clients they want to have a trial production.
Yeah,
So first the
absolutely.
choice. Yeah.
When customer they want to test their new products, they also can use this small line because if the new products is not successfully, they can buy the biggest line.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is a small line. Small line have its own limit.
Yeah.
Because some clients maybe have very big
Yes.
needs.
Actually, the smallest line, the small farmer, the meat percentage is very lower. But now, people life is better and better. So the people are like the more with more meat taste.
Yeah.
So we have to use another machine, the biggest former.
Machine.
Yeah.
So
biggest former. So we can introduce the biggest former.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm very interested to introduce
Yeah,
this
so
big
huge,
line.
so huge machine. Yeah.
So
Yeah. So this is our biggest line.
yeah.
The biggest line. How much capacity you know?
As I know, this is the fifth generation. So its capacity is up to 1,500 kilograms.
Yes, this is our new model.
Yeah.
We use the servo motor than the old model.
Yeah.
It's upgrade. Yeah. So the capacity and much more double.
Yeah. So including the raw materials in feeding and the mold striking, so all are controlled by the servo motor.
So you can see our touch screen. They have a protection cover, and also that it is emergency stop.
Yeah.
So if you want to stop the machine, you can press it easily.
Yeah.
Okay. So
this cover is very important when you
wash
clean
it.
with water.
Yeah. Because in the factory, maybe in the floor, on the floor, many water. So we have to protect this.
Yeah. It shows our importance on the details of the machine.
Yes, of course. So this is an elevator for people to climb up and see the raw material if it is enough or not.
Yeah.
And also it is easy to clean in the hopper.
Yeah, as I know, there's a switch on the.
Yes, of course. They have a foot switch.
Yeah, for switch.
Yeah. So this forming machine, they have a 4-screw feeding system. They can screw the meter into the cylinder. And also this machine have the water and the pneumatically system. So you can use the whole meat, even the whole meat. No, because the smallest forming machine only can put the minced meat.
Yeah.
But this machine can put the whole meat. So the taste of the products much more better.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think in this former, one of the key parts we have to talk is just as a small former is the mold.
Yeah, the mold.
Yeah.
The mold is they have 3 parts. I think 3 parts. One is the forming plate.
Yeah.
Another one is the knockout.
Yeah.
They will press.
Yes.
And also the third part is the metal spacer. Okay, so you know all the spare parts of this forming machine, they use the European brand.
Yeah, for example.
For example, Festo, the cylinder is Festo from Germany.
Wow.
And also the
I know the
motor
screen is touch screen is
Siemens.
Siemens.
Yeah. And also the pump and the motor is from US.
Wow.
It's Eaton.
Yeah.
So each part you can look in the European countries everywhere.
Yeah.
So it's very easy for customer to maintenance.
Yeah. Basically, it's enhance the complete quality of the machine.
Yes.
Yeah.
So why the machine is very stronger? So because of all the spare parts is European standard and all the construction we design.
Yeah.
So we make the machine stable and reliable.
Yeah.
Yes.
How many strokes it works?
Oh, this one is very fast. It's around 100 strokes per minute.
Yeah.
Per minute.
Oh.
Yes.
So how is about comparing with other brands?
The old model, you know, it's around maybe 70 strokes.
Yeah.
It's very fast also. But now after upgrading the new model,
Yeah.
it's 100.
Yeah.
Too fast. 100 per minute.
Yeah.
So the capacity double than this, but the price not double. The price only a few difference.
Yeah. That's one of the advantage. Comparing with some European or American brands,
Yeah.
the work strokes even higher than them.
Yes.
So,
So you connect the water to the nuggets from the knockout and from the mouth. It will be easily come out. But that smaller machine, they don't have the water system.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here I have a question.
Okay.
As I know, Hiwell is trying to have a new model of the forming machine.
Yes.
Yes, it's a drum type, the forming machine.
Yes.
It's,
Now we are designing.
Yeah.
But I think it will come out very soon. But after that new former come out, it's another products will, because you can make the 3D products.
Wow.
Yeah, very good.
So it's also another improvement based on this one.
Yes, of course.
So I think it will bring us with more surprises.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is also the battery machine. The battery machine is, you can see this design. Do you know why this design?
This design is considering the human's height is give us more easy operation to this machine.
Yeah, it is one thing.
Yeah.
But another, the key important is when you clean the machine, so the water will drop off and drop off automatically. No need people to use a hand to make it drop off.
Yeah.
So it is sanitary and also reliable of the machine.
Yeah. So
Yes.
you can find our consideration to the easy cleaning.
Yeah, a very good design.
Yeah.
And also inside of the electrical box, there is a seal. So we can guarantee the IP. Do you know the IP?
Yeah.
How much grade?
It's 67.
Yes, you can wash it and clean it.
So no water will damage the electric part.
All the electrical parts are Siemens and the European brand.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's just so we can tell the clients it's a working process.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here is like a curtain. Here the pump. The pump will lift the batter here.
Yeah.
And it will drop off and like a curtain. So then go ahead. Then here is also an air knife to blow off the excess of the batter on the surface of the products.
Yeah. So, but I know it's different a little bit with another the Yeah. So and in this system, the air is circled, or circled to do this.
You know what? This is the air blower we made by ourselves.
Oh.
It is stainless steel.
It's designed by us.
Yeah, it is stainless steel.
Yeah.
So much more stronger.
Oh.
Yeah. You can see inside also have a ruler.
Yeah. What's the ruler's function?
The ruler can press the coating.
Yeah.
After the products coating the breadcrumbs, you can press it and to make it tight.
Yes.
Sticky.
So, yeah. So ensure that it sticks on the surface before it's frying.
Yes. So you can keep all as much as more of the coating.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Sunny, we talked about the fresh breading machine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fresh breading machine you ship today?
Yeah.
To Vietnam. But we have two models of the breading machine. This one is for the dry crumbs.
Yeah.
And that one is the fresh crumbs.
Yeah.
A fresh crumbing machine is usually for the seafood, like fish, like shrimp. But this one is almost used for the chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the bread crumbs are also different. The fresh
one and dry crumbs.
Yeah, dry one. So.
But the fresh breading machine, they have a good advantage. You know what? They cannot damage the crumbs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's as we know, the fresh breadcrumbs is the price is very high comparing with so it's have very little damage. So it's save a lot to the clients.
Yes.
At the same time, so we considering more. For example, if we use this machine to coat the fresh crumbs. It's very the fresh crumbs are easily to lick down.
Yes.
So for the fresh crumbs, we especially consider this characteristic of the fresh crumbs.
Yes, but after the fresh breading coating, the outside of the product is very crispy.
Yeah.
You can have a good taste. But this one also crispy, but not like that one. Yeah.
So now we have no fresh breading machine. So also the belt different.
Oh, you know the belt is imported from UK.
Really?
Yeah, it's from UK.
Yeah.
You know why we can have a good quality? We can make each details.
Yeah.
Even the belt, even the small pipe. Small pipe is also all from Europe. So we can keep all the quality, you know.
Yeah.
I think the price is not the important, but the quality is the most important of all.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what Hiwell have been doing.
Yeah.
We considering all the aspects for the clients.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, Bob, do you know how to make the chicken popcorn by this line?
Yeah. Firstly, the chicken popcorn.
We have two ways.
Yeah, very popular way is firstly foaming.
Yeah, foaming.
Yeah, after foaming, it will be battering. It will be before the battering is pre-dusting.
Yeah, you forgot.
Sorry. And after the pre-dusting is coated with flour, it will be better.
Yes.
Yeah.
They will pre-duster again and drum breader.
Yeah.
You know, drum breader is very. I think later we can introduce drum breader. I like that machine very much.
Yeah, it's different with the normal types of the breading machine.
Yes, of course. So you know this gold design. These machines we develop too many models.
Yeah.
From the model 1st to the model 6.
Yeah.
So we collect all the info and all the requests from our customers.
Correct.
So we develop all the time.
Yeah, that's why the Hiwells have been keep chasing the best in the world.
Yes, of course. So the stainless steel also 304.
Yeah, 304.
But if you want to make 316, also we can make.
Yeah, we can customize as your requirement.
Yeah, do you know how many lines already we sold?
500 lines. around
More
the
than
world.
500 lines all over the world. You know, the first year I come to Hiwell, why I chose this company, you know, because I know this attitude.
Yeah.
They only make the best machine
Yeah.
in China.
Yeah.
So now made in China is getting more and more famous, not like before. So we have to keep the brand made in China.
Yes. Yeah,
yes.
made in China. So we hope we can do well in the technology and the quality and the production to
Yes.
let Hiwell become the first brand around the world. So we are not now, but always keep trying the best to be the number one around the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our boss attitude is to make the number one in this industry.
Yeah.
You know, we draft this industry standard in China. I think why we can draft the industry standard because we know a lot of these machines.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It means that Hiwell is have been very proven in all the details of this technology.
Yes.
Hiwell is the first brand. If you don't know that, I can tell you it's the first brand in China now. So in
The largest producer of
Yeah.
forming and coating machines.
Yes.
Yeah.
In China. So for the fresh processing, the further processing, both are very super normal.
Yes.
We do not we will not stop here. We are also always trying the best.
We are
Go
growing
ahead.
up with our customer together
Yes.
and stronger.
Yeah.
So Hiwell, why not? Hiwell is the largest and earliest producer of forming and coating machines in China since 2002.
Yeah.
So around 20 years, we have in China domestic market almost 70%
Yeah.
market.
Yeah.
And the other 30 market maybe they buy from Europe.
Yeah.
So we can compare with the European machines.
Yes.
With a reasonable price and the best quality.
We
Yes.
stand together with our clients to go into their factory, stand with their R&D persons, the
Yes.
production operators, to know what they really want. And, many clients grew up together with Hiwell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think why we are professional because we only do forming and coating machines.
Yes.
We can do the other machines, but we just want to be more professional.
Yes.
Yes.
I have another question,
Okay.
Sunny. We said a lot about the Hiwell's ideal, but how will we do after the sales deliver out for the after sales service? After sales service.
After sales service, I think you know in the warehouse, the shelf, the spare parts in the shelf for each part. So almost each part is in stock, so we can deliver it to the machine to the customer as soon as possible.
Yeah.
So I think we can catch the customer's time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
we will help them to install and commissioning the machines.
Oh, we can go to their factory
Yeah.
to install the whole lines and training their workers how to operate
Yeah.
until they can operate by themselves.
Correct.
Yeah. So no worry about the installation and also the warranty. We can keep 1 year warranty.
Yes, all around the world we have many agents in many different
Yeah, they
countries.
have many
help us.
agents in different countries. They also can help us
Yeah.
to support with the machine, with the customer. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's till now.
So, okay. Now we finished the introduction of the two lines. I think later we can share with all the friends with other machines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Please pay more
See you.
attention
See you
to us.
later. See you
Thank you.
later.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.